It looks like I'm doing it again. I'm getting swept up by the interesting technical challenges of working on my product instead of working on the more challenging marketing side of things. Because at the end of the day, I like building. I like getting in the weeds with code, and I like solving difficult problems. And right now, there's very much a challenge like that in my code. I'm trying to build the feature that automatically fixes the issues that VibeScan finds. And I already have a basic version of it, and it works. But the problem is, when it fixes issues, it also adds new ones when I rescan that code. So I've been working on a more sophisticated version that does a new scan after it makes changes. Then it looks at the things that it found in the second scan, and then it makes changes to fix those issues. But I also have to be careful because as you make more changes, the code that you work on continues to grow. So I have to word my prompts a certain way, and I just keep iterating, and it keeps growing and growing. And my code is very sophisticated and can handle a lot of really interesting things, but it's not perfect. So if you got 10 issues in a file that's 500 lines long, and I try to automatically fix all of that, naturally it gets stuck in a loop of finding new issues and trying to fix those. And so as tempting as it is for me to continue working on this thing, I think I'm just going to have to draw the line, because at some point I really need to get into the marketing side of this. I really need to promote this product. So I need to draw the line somewhere, and I think I'm going to make it so that if you have just a few smaller issues in your file, we're going to automatically fix those. And then for bigger files, we'll just have some kind of warning on there and give you the manual instructions on how you can fix it. I think that's perfectly reasonable to start out. And then over time, as I get the product going, I can continue to iterate. I mean, the funny thing is, there's only 2 people who can possibly even use this feature right now because they paid for it, because it's in one of the more advanced tiers of the product. It's not even a feature that every paid user can use. So as much as it is a fun technical challenge, I think making these videos daily and seeing how long it takes to work on some of these things is helping me stay honest with myself. So I'm going to prevent myself from going deeper into the weeds right now. And I'm going to start working on my next video for my main channel. I'm going to get what I have deployed. And tomorrow it really is all marketing. Speaking of which, I did do one marketing sort of thing, which is I set up a landing page to collect emails so that I could send people reminders for the product hunt. So check the link in the description. Drop your email and I will send you a reminder when we do the product hunt launch. That's going to be on August 9th. So I would really appreciate all of your support. It's going to be an exciting day. And I think by then we'll get a little bit more word of mouth going and a little bit more traction with the product, hopefully. And it'll all depend on me actually switching gears and executing on the marketing front over the next week. So we'll see how that goes. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care.